Hi Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of August 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Scorpio, so let's look at into your energy and your twin flame or soulmate energy for the month of August 2021. Also, Scorpio, please know that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Scorpio, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, and your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's see the channel messages here. Okay, Scorpio, so on this side here is your energy and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles of the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. The sign that I'm getting coming up for you here, Scorpio, I'm getting a very strong fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. I'm also getting a very strong earth energy coming in here as well. Taurus, Virgo or Capricorn. You could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. So looking at your energy here, Scorpio, I'm getting the Tower, and then I've also got the Four of Swords energy coming in here as well. So I feel like this particular separation, I'm getting like a very strong separation energy coming in here, Scorpio, between you and your person energy. So I feel like both of you are currently in a separation, or at least the communication or the contact between both of you here, Scorpio, is not really going on too well. Like a very strong stuck energy or even like a limbo energy is what I'm getting coming in here for both of you here, Scorpio. And I feel like you are heavily affected with this particular separation. You are heavily affected with this particular no communication energy, I would say here, Scorpio, because with this Four of Swords energy and the Tower energy here, it's like everything is just coming crumbling down to you. Like this is the energy that I'm picking up quite strongly for you here, and for some reason you don't know what you need to do and how to even continue living up your life, I would say. So I feel like whatever had happened between both of you here, Scorpio, this is like heavily affecting you here. I've also got the Six of Wands energy coming up here. Whatever that actually had happened between both of you here, Scorpio, the Tower energy here, yes, the Tower is definitely not the nicest feelings in the world, but the Tower energy here is like a reminder for you that some changes has to happen here, so a new beginning can start happening from that. This is also another reason why I've got the Six of Wands and I've got the Sun energy coming in here as well. Whatever situation, whatever struggles or hardship that you're going through here, be it in your twin flame or soulmate connection, in your love situation, be it also in your general life here, you are definitely going to come out of that victoriously here. I've also got the Sun energy and the World energy coming in here as well. Whatever struggles, whatever hardship that you're currently going through here, Scorpio, with this World energy, this is basically talking about the completion of a cycle. This is also talking about the end of the separation and the end of the no communication period between both of you. Yes, I can definitely understand that. Like I said, it's like you have no idea how to continue moving on here. Like you know you need to move on, like, but you don't know how to, like, control your feelings, control your emotion. You don't know how to just, like, get up in the morning and just like try to be happy, and do not let your feelings, do not let your emotion get into the way, and just trying to maintain balance. Just trying to maintain balance within yourself is like coming out from the voice, what I'm getting coming up for you here, Scorpio. And then I've also got the Sun energy coming in here. Like I said, this Tower movement, yes, is definitely not the nicest things here, but I feel like the Tower movement needs to happen because there are certain things in your life that you also need to change here. There are certain ways, there are certain emotions, certain feelings, certain triggers, I would say here, that you're experiencing within your life here, that you need to let go of, that you need to learn from that, Scorpio. And the moment that you do that here, like I said, the end of this struggling, the end of this hardship here, which is going to bring a lot of new beginning and a lot of ultimate happiness for you here, Scorpio. So let's look at into your person energy here. I've got the Six of Pentacles, and then I've got the Seven of Pentacles energy coming in here. So one thing that I'm getting coming up from your person here is that they are actually not stuck. They're actually progressing in their own terms within this journey, within this connection here, Scorpio. But the way that they are moving at this point of time here, it's in a little bit slower pace is what I'm getting here, Scorpio. So what they're doing at this point of time here is that they are focusing their energy and they're focusing their mind onto something else. More specifically here, I'm getting a very strong financial related situation or career related situation here, Scorpio. So it's not that they are deliberately ignoring you, they're deliberately like not wanting to communicate with you, but this separation is also affecting them really heavily, I would say here, Scorpio. So for them here, the way that they are coping with this separation, the way that they're coping with this no communication and everything that had happened between both of you here, is that by focusing their energy into somewhere else, into something else here, in this case specifically here, building up their career, building up their finances. This is why the phase and the way that they're moving, the way that they're progressing at this point of time here, Scorpio, is in a little bit slower pace here. And I've also got the Seven of Pentacles energy coming up here. A little bit of patience will also be needed, because it's like they've just like started their journey, they've just like planted their seed. It may take some time for that particular seed to grow as a tree and to give fruit and to give flowers here, Scorpio. But again, I've got the Six of Wands energy coming up here for both of you. So both of you are definitely going to find success. Both of you are definitely going to find victory in this connection, in this twin flame and soulmate connection here, Scorpio. It's just that it may take a little bit some time, because both of you have a lot of things that you need to grow off. Both of you have a lot of things that you need to let go of here, Scorpio. But they have been thinking a lot about you. They also have a very strong it's like they are putting you in such a high pedestal, I would say here, Scorpio. And I've also got the Two of Cups energy coming in here as well. So there's definitely like a very strong soulmate or twin flame connection between both of you. There is no doubt on that. It's just that it may need some time for both of you, I would say here. So not only them, both of you have a lot of things that you need to grow off. Both of you have a lot of things that you need to let go and take care of within yourself on an individual level here, Scorpio. So let's look at into the channel messages here. I'm working on building our future. I've also got Will You Marry Me and You Are My Everything coming in here as well. So this is exactly how they feel towards you here. They do have emotional feelings towards you. They do love you here, Scorpio. Like I said, this separation is also affecting them really heavily here, and this is why I'm working on building our future. Both of you are actually working on getting better on yourself. Both of you are actually working on getting back together here to have this victorious outcome, to have this victorious union here, where their desire here is that to be with you and to start a family with you here, Scorpio. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates for your August twin flame and soulmate connection energy reading, Scorpio. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.